Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial today, I'm going to be teaching you how to convert your text to table in Microsoft Word. This is the essence of this tutorial. For instance, you go online during your research and you need to copy a table online. For instance, you want to copy text. It is easy. You can easily highlight it like this and copy, then paste in your Microsoft Word document. You can see it. It is easy. But if I have to copy table from an online document, just like I'm seeing this table right here, let me just copy these two columns. You can see that it is not even selecting the outlines, it is only selecting the text. Okay, so if I copy and go to my Microsoft Word documents and paste, it will only paste the text. It is not going to paste the table. Okay, so that is the essence of this tutorial. So next time you visit online to copy a table, you can easily convert your text to a table. Probably what you have been doing before is that you copy each column and go to your Microsoft Word and create a table and paste in the column. Okay, so if you have a very long table, this is going to be a very stressful thing to do. Okay, so let me just clear my workspace here and go back online. So if I go back, let me just copy two rows here. Okay, so I'm copying just two rows and I go to my Microsoft Word document and paste. Okay, so as I've pasted right now, you can see that it is not actually pasting like normal table. It is pasting in form of text. Now I need to go back online and check how many columns I have in the document and the text that is fitting into each column. Okay, so I'm using dummy data here. I just created the dummy content. Now I have video provides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay, so I have 5 columns to create in this table here. Now the content inside, in the cell here, I'm having 2 video provides. Okay, in the rest I have 1. Okay, so how do I separate them and convert them to table? Now you have options here. Let me just separate this text first and go to Insert tab, then come under Table and click on Convert Text to Table. Now if I click on it, it will only have just one row without separating the column, because I did not actually give command on how to separate the column. So if I Ctrl Z and go back to Insert and come under Table and Convert to Table, now you can see that I have separate text art. So these are the options that you can use to separate your columns. Okay, so I can use paragraph to separate, I can use commas to separate, I can use tab to separate, or I can use other syntax. So if I'm choosing others, then here I'm going to enter the syntax I'm going to use for my separation. Okay, but I will not advise that you use comma and full stop, because your document might contain commas and full stop, and wherever there's comma or full stop, it is going to create a column there which may make the table to be wrong. Okay, so I prefer that we use a paragraph. So let me just check on paragraph. Let me close this window first and let us use paragraph in our document, then we can proceed. Okay, so for the first column, then I press tab on my keyboard. Video provides, second one I press tab, then the third one I press tab, the fourth one I press tab. Okay, now we are having 5 video provides at the top here. The 6th one has to come to the second row. Okay, I think yes, because we have 2 video provides in the second row, first cell here. So if I go back to my Microsoft Word, I have 2 video provides in the second row, first cell. Okay, so my tab is not going to come here, it's going to come to this second one. So I press tab again and tab, I press tab again and press tab again. Okay, so now if I select this text and go under Insert tab and click on Table and click on Convert Table to Text, you can see right now that I'm having number of columns to be 5 and number of rows to be 2. Now I'm using tab. Okay, so this tab is checked for me, then I can click on OK. So right now you can see that this table is perfectly done. So the secret behind this is just to know where to put your tab, comma, or full stop. Alright, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. I have other videos in this channel that are useful, and if you check below this video, you will see my picture and you will see the channel title, which is ID Tech. Please click on it. It will land you on the channel homepage to see other videos that I've created. So I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial.